Here's how to install a front license plate bracket on a 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado. All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. If there are already screws in your bumper, remove those first. If there are no screws already present, you can use the included screws for installation. Grab the new bracket. With the wide side up, put the license plate bottom first into the face of the bracket and push the top in. Make sure the top two holes in the bracket and license plate line up. With your hands, get both screws started into the bracket. Place the bracket against the bumper with the holes lined up and finish driving in the screws. Tighten the screws enough to make it stay, but avoid over-tightening to prevent cracking the bracket. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.